take a picture.
Aventura Mall is in Aventura, Florida. This is one of our favorite premier shopping destinations in the neighboring of Miami and South Florida. It is a 3-story mall, features luxury designer shops, dining, and a theater. Let's go and check this out. Ta-da!
So we will unbox first my how to say, my purchase.
Happy anniversary!
Thank you.
What's in the bag?
This is my own gift.
Baby!
Once we will do chismes on YouTube like that.
Ta-da! Oh wow!
So for your information, look at the details. I don't know if I can remove the stickers or it's like the Burger King and we lose the value. And it's 65% of viscose and 35% of silk.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Can we have a stirrer?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Nice. Put it on.
You
Let's see.
have this print.
Mhm.
I don't know what's the name of this collection. It's just 24 for the address of the store, I guess. Made in France. Inside it's silk, so it's breathable. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ta-da! And it matches the bag.
So it's matched to the environment. Here it's so fancy. So it's just like that. If I go to the crappy areas like that, and if I want to pretend to be young, it's like that.
Hello! How are you doing today? Today is going to be an exciting video. We are here in Miami, Florida. Miami! Who likes that, right? So yeah, we're kind of like on a short vacation at this point in time. And as you can see, we have two bags here from orange bags from Hermes. It is not a bag, so you're forewarned already on that one. But it is still exciting to unbox. If you're interested on this one, go check this out. Do not forget to subscribe, like our video, and comment below. And then share this video to your friends and family because that helps us out. Anyways, we are here today to unbox our two things from Hermes. So we went to Aventura Mall. Probably it's only like 20 minutes from where we're at right now. So yeah, but anyways, we went there and then we kind of like look around and stuff, whatever. It was a really nice mall that we have. And then we do have this one first. So we'll unbox this one. This one is kind of like a very nice one. She gave us the dust bag on this. And then it is a really cool one. Sebastian is having a hard time to look for this particular one because it doesn't suit him. The ones that we see at the other brands and stuff like that. Even just a regular brand like Zara or H&M and stuff like that. It's hard for him to get this one. But this one is really fitting good. It is expensive for a particular item like this one. Ta-da! And then, but it fits great. It fits great. We are looking forward of how it will last. Cost per wear of this one, the wear and tear and stuff like that. We will review that one eventually for you guys. But no further ado, it is the, ta-da! It is the hat. So yeah, so there you go. So it is the hat. It is in gray, and then there's an anteater here, and then it says they're 24. And then this is really nice because it's so subtle. It is not shocking like Hermes on your face type of thing. The color is neutral, and then you do have just this print on here. The only time that you're gonna know it is Hermes is the button on the back. The buttons, it says they're Hermes, and then inside, and then there you go. So yeah, it is size 59. So this one is really suiting him perfectly on his big head. I love you, baby. But yes, so this is what it is. I'm gonna show you guys later of how it looks like on his head. So he wore it already when we went to Everglades last time. So this is the first one that we have, and then the second one, and then this one is my so this one is a ta-da, another one. I wish this is a bag, right? But it is not. So here we are, and then this one, I went for this one already because I'm kind of like, because Sebastian has the Izmir sandals, and I was like, okay, I want something too. And then we bought down like probably 3 years ago, 2 years ago. And then when I saw this one, I went with the craze that you're having with all this. And then this is what I have. Let's see what's the name of this one so that you know what I'm talking about anyways. But of course, it's a pair. Ta-da! This one. So this is the men's sandals. There you go. It is chunky a little bit, and then with the H on here, but then it's really simple. The only time that you're going to see that it is Hermes is probably the H on this one and the Hermes on the side. There you go. And then it's really nice. It is called Sandal Home Electric Voo. V-E-A-U. So this one is noir or black color. There you go. That's the price right there. And then this is our anniversary gift to each other because it is our 4th year anniversary. And then there's this another one that we have. Ta-da! So I do have this at this time. And this is made in Italia. There we go. So this is the gift of Sebastian to me, and then me to Sebastian here in Miami, Florida, when we visited here right now. And then we met a really nice lady. Her name is Karine. Thank you, Karine, for helping us out and then to make this one possible, because this one is somewhat hard to find. Or there's no sizes of this one anyway. So now I do have this, so that's really good that I have this one. And then yeah, so this one we bought this one, like I said, in the Aventura Mall, and then we established a relationship with her, and then of course I gave her my wait list one, and then in hopes that it will give me some. But like I said before, that it is a matter of if you're enjoying it versus of just buying things just because you want to be on that wait list that they have, or they're gonna call you and stuff like that. It's the same concept here, like what she said. You still need to establish a relationship with her, with the SA, and then yeah, so that's what she was telling us anyways. But do you like my new sandals and the new hat that we have for today? I hope so, because this one is a momental, this one is a really memorable things for us. And then yeah, thank you very much for watching. We hope that you like this video and then enjoying the little things that we get here and there, just to really share it with you guys, because I know we're like families anyways, that I know that you're happy for what we get and what you see on this channel. And then thank you for supporting us. We love you, and do what makes you happy. This one is making us happy. And thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again in the next video. Like I said again, subscribe, comment below, and share this video. That will help us a lot. We are at on our way to 2,500 subscribers. If you can subscribe, that would be wonderful. Right now we are at 2,450, no, 2,400 something, 20 or something like that. But through your subscriptions, that one will help us to grow more and to be more a family like and friends here on YouTube. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again. Bye.